Now, what are the indications for PET scan? The PET scan is useful to do the post-surgical assessment. After the surgery for any pelvic malignancy is done, we can do the PET scan to find out if there is any residual malignant tissue present. Next, after the surgery, we can also find out after some time if there is recurrence of pelvic malignancy present. So, residual malignancy we can find out from PET scan. Recurrence of malignancy we can be detected by PET scan. Apart from that, we can also detect if there is a metastasis, because in pelvic node, if there are secondaries in pelvic node, the sensitivity to identify these pelvic nodes is 80% by PET scan, and in MRI it is 70% and in CT scan it is 48%. Not only identifying whether the pelvic node secondaries are present or not, it also tells us whether it is normal, benign, or it is cancer tissue. Then there are certain intervention procedures in the image technique which are very useful. One is fine needle aspiration cytology. This is often required to do the cytology of maybe peritoneal fluid, or it could be aspiration of some ovarian cyst or biopsy of lymph node, pelvic lymph node. So in these procedures we can take help of ultrasound. Then sometimes we need to drain the pus or ascitic fluid. That time also this ultrasound guided drainage is quite safe for the patient and it avoids injury to other vital intra-abdominal organs. Now one more procedure is uterine artery embolization. This is a procedure which is useful in the treatment of fibroid, where it's a conservative treatment, means uterus is retained. This is done in patients in whom medical treatment has failed and the patient is not willing for surgery. She wants to retain uterus, or it may be that she is unfit for the surgery. In this patient, of course she has completed a family. In this patient we use polyvinyl alcohol to do the uterine artery embolization. Initially pelvic angiography is done and the catheter is passed through femoral artery and it is taken up to uterine artery. And once there, polyvinyl alcohol is injected through this uterine artery and it occludes the uterine artery. Thus, it will cause ischemic necrosis of fibroid. And this gives a symptomatic relief to the patient. Bleeding is reduced and pain is reduced. Contraindication for uterine artery embolization is pregnancy, infection, and malignancy. So, imaging techniques are quite useful in today's gynecology practice and we can almost not do without them. Thank you.